Free cool ACDC hybrid solar air conditioner, green energy inside, 100% free cooling during the day. Revolutionize your cooling experience with solar power. 100% free cooling during daylight. Jet cooling systems with Starling air circulation. Wi-Fi controls. Real-time energy consumption, remote mounting, BLDC motor. Free cool ACDC hybrid solar air conditioner. Zero electricity cost during the day. Grid power usage. Maximizes savings without compromising performance. The new ACDC technology can work with 100% on solar power. No power cost. Optional 48 volts battery backup plus ACDC solar aircon controller integration. The new AI ACDC technology. Green energy inside. Intelligent power management systems. It is an integrated technology with smart controller. Green energy inside technology. Dual AC-DC mode adapts to both DC solar input and AC grid power, making it eco-friendly, cost-effective, and ideal for reducing carbon footprints. Why choose free cool? Zero electricity cost during the day. Automatic nighttime grid switch, optional batteries, no requirement, up to 90% reduction in electricity bills, sustainable, low-carbon technology, easy installation and low maintenance. Thank you for watching. Once again, welcome to Free Cool.